Good morning, students. Today, in welcome to the IT class. Last day, we have seen what is ICT, Information and Communication Technology, and the different impacts we have seen. We have discussed that ICT in daily life, in banking, like banking, shopping, okay, and then daily house life. Then we have seen the impact on personal life in workplace. So different impacts of ICT we have discussed in earlier session. So today we will see ICT tools. What are the ICT tools? ICT tools means what? The tools which are used in information, the devices which are used in information and communication technology. Okay, like you can say email, then TV, television, then computer and laptop, emails. Okay, so these are the different laptops. Then these are the different video conferencing software, radio, tablet. Okay, so smartphones. All these are different ICT tools. Now, first thing we will discuss about the computers and laptop. Computer and laptop means what? These are the electronic devices that have a specific processor and that works as per programs and software loaded on them. So that is used as a ICT tools. Next, laptop. Laptop is also same, more or less same as computers, but it is size is smaller than computer and when a desktop, and because it is used on labs, you can use it on labs, that's why it is called as a laptop. So this is also used in ICT. Next is smartphones and tablet. Smartphones means like mobiles, so that is with enhanced features to display images or videos and to provide audio video and audio video, then provide audio mobile phones. It also offer an alternative platform for conventional tools, okay, such as digital camera, television set. All these things you will get here in mobiles. You can access the internet also, send or receive the emails. The camera is also there are different calendar. Then you can listen the music, listen the videos, different videos. Then you can see the PDF textbook of PDF of textbooks. So all these things you can get here in mobiles. Okay, so this is also a ICT tools. Next is you can say a tablet. Tablet is also more or less same as a mobile, but here the difference is it is bigger in size, but in some more lab tablets you can't do the phones, calls you can't do. So that is the difference, some difference between this tablet and smartphones. But you can see the tablet is a cousin of uh, this mobile smartphones. So these are larger in size than mobile phones, and here you can see all the things like Word, MS Word, MS presentation, PowerPoint, Excel, all those things you can do here. And because it is of big size than smartphone, so it is here you can do the work more easily. Conveniently, you can do here the work. So it is capable of running useful programs. Then it has a higher storage and battery capacity. Next is radio and TV. Radio means what? That is the oldest tool, and here it is capable of doing nearly all that is do you can do in TV, but only you cannot see that. Here also many stations are there. Okay, one of that FM, that is very important channel where you can see the where you can listen the music, entertainment, the news, important information, government news, all those things you can listen here in FM. So radio, it can be an effective method to deliver courses and lectures. And TV, that is also very important, that is the audio visual medium, and that can play audio, and as well as you can see the pictures also, images also. So there are multiple TV channels, and people can see that according to their interest they can serve the channel. Okay, so that is about television. So smart TV is a recent advancement in television that can be connected to the internet also here. So here you can do the internet also, internet access you can get, you can. So that is the television. Next is internet and email. Internet and email means here internet refers to the worldwide network of interconnected servers that can connect it to many networks. Okay, so at home you can get the internet, and you can use that internet uh, to send and receive emails and other getting information. There are different type of information you can get, any type of information you can get from the internet. So this is also ICT tools. uh, Emails, then, that is for sending and receiving uh, mails, messages. So that is the facility of internet, which allows one to send emails electronically and in a flash of a second. So, and full form I think all of you know, that is a electronic mail. So this is about internet and email. There are different apps, other apps also there, like calendar, then different apps according to your interest, according to your needs. You can install that softwares in your mobiles or in your computer, laptop. So all these apps also are electronic yeah, ICT tools. So next is about the messages, phone, clock. Clock is also ICT tools. It is a basic app that displays a time, and in mobile phones. And clock, calendar, this app allows you to show the see the time, day, date, all those things you can see through this app, through this calendar. Okay, and next one is web browser. Web browser, I think all of you know, web browser means through which we can access the net. Like most common web browser is an Internet Explorer, which is available in computer always. So that is a basic web browser. Next is camera in smartphones, in computer also webcam. So you, that is also ICT tools. Photos, mail, so these are all ICT tools, okay, through which we can uh, communicate and we can get the information. So these are the different ICT tools. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.